Hey guys, I just wanted to talk briefly about growing rosemary and, in this case, how easy it is to grow. This is just a little rosemary plant that I got from the store. I think it was Lowe's. And I planted it in the ground without much special care and have not done much to care for it for the several years since I planted it. And it's doing its thing all on its own with little to no upkeep on my part. I haven't fertilized this. It's just been getting water from the sprinklers. I haven't done anything special with the soil. Here in California, rosemary grows as kind of a landscaping addition, which is hilarious because you can find it in the store for like $2 or $3, when you could just be plucking it from a hedge outside somewhere. So most varieties like well-drained soil. They do well with little watering. Mine here is actually next to a sprinkler, so they clearly do well with ample watering as well. And if you want to groom your rosemary and help it bush out more, what you can do is snip it at a spot, and then it will branch out in multiple directions from the spot that you snipped it. I haven't done that with mine much. We've taken a little bit for cooking. Mostly this has been left to its own devices, and it's been bushing out wherever it feels like. So yeah, if you're interested in growing rosemary, I hope some of that was helpful. It's a very, very low maintenance plant, especially if you're in a climate such as mine where it just grows on its own and is found all over the place. So yeah, that's rosemary.